Hi everyone and welcome in a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to identify duplicates and show ups records using Power BI. First of all, I'm going to create a table which contains emails and purchase code. Let's start. I'm going to use Excel file. So let's start with this one. Test at gmail.com is just example. Purchase code 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do another test one at gmail.com. So this one is going to be repeated two times. And let's do another one, test 2 at gmail.com. Okay, this one it will be repeated just one time. Okay, so we have now a little small table which containing two columns. The first one containing emails, and the second one contains purchase. Okay, so now let's get this file. Let's import our data into our Power BI desktop. Let's just wait. Let's navigate our desktop. I'm selecting the Excel file that we already uh, get it from the spreadsheet online. Let's just wait. It's loading our data. So as you can see here, we select the sheet. So it's containing, as you can see, our table, which is composing, as we said, from two columns. Let's load our data. So what we are going to do is identify duplicates in email column. Let's just wait until the load process finished. So as you can see here, the load process has been completed. So now we can create a calculated column with this formula. So let's rename our new column with count emails equal to count emails equal to, let's create a variable with the name emails, which containing the email data. So now we have a variable with the name emails, which containing the data from email column. Return calculate count rows, this one, our table with this name, all from this, the name of the table also, and this one when okay. So we are creating a variable with the name emails, which containing the data from the column and the column with the name email, and we return the calculate of the count rows from our table when the name or the data from the email column it's equal to the value of the variable emails. Okay, so let's create a new table. It's a small one. So don't summarize. So as you can see here, we have all the emails and all the purchase code. So basically what we can do is doing a filter on this page or on this table or visualization as we want. So I'm choosing doing a filter on this page, advanced filter. So it's not email, I'm just mistaken, it's the count emails. Okay, advanced filter is greater than 1. So as we can see here, the email this email, which is test at gmail.com, it's duplicated 4 times, and test1 at gmail.com it's duplicated 2 times, and this one it's repeated just one time. So this one it's will not appear in our table anymore when we apply this filter. Let's see here. As you can see, it's here, but when we apply filter, it disappear. You see? So as you can see here, we are doing and an identification of duplicates in the email column data. So thanks all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please click on the subscribe button, like button, notification button, and please don't forget to mention in comments what you want to see in our next video. Thanks for watching this video again, and see you in other videos. Bye.